Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on OnePlus Nord N30. To this we'll need to open our settings, then make sure that you're on top of the page and enter mobile network. Here go for data usage, scroll down and there's a data usage limit. You can activate it for a daily or a monthly use, and let's go for the monthly use. Now enter the number of a limit that you want to set, and also you can change between megabytes and gigabytes. And what we need to note here is that the 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So let's go for 5500, which is 5.5 of a gigabyte. And then we can change the behavior when the data limit is reached. We can receive alert only, or it can turn off mobile data and also receive the alert. Last option is to set the data warning. If you want, it's optional, and it will send you the warning when you reach a certain amount of internet that you've used, right? And you can enter it right here. Click on OK button to set your limit, and you can do the basically same thing with daily usage. Only thing that is missing is a data warning. Now there's a start calculating data usage from, and here you can enter when the limit resets. So for example, we can go for a second day of this month and it will reset on the next month in the second day. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.